Hi, let us understand the concept of division with 0. If a number divided with 0 that is equal to infinite or undefined. Let us see. So before going to that, let us consider addition and subtraction operations. So multiplication is repetitive addition. Division is repetitive subtraction. So basic arithmetic operations are addition and subtraction. For example, we can consider here 2 into 6 which is equal to 12. This means 2 times 6 1 time plus 2 times which is equal to 12. We can consider 12 divided by 6 which is equal to 2. That means 12 minus 6 is equal to 0. So here 2 into 6 means 2 times, 1 time, 2 time. 12 divided by 6 which is equal to 2 means 6 subtracted from the 12 2 times to get the 0. So 1 time, 2 time. So here 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So if 6 subtracted 2 times from the 12, we got the 0 as the result. So based on this concept, let us see 12 by 4 is equal to 3. So this 6 is there in earlier case. Now this is equal to 4. Similarly, 12 by 3 which is equal to 4. Similarly, 12 by 2 which is equal to 6. 12 by 1 which is equal to 12. So here 12 by 0.1 which is equal to 120 because 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10. So 12 into 10 by 1 which is equal to 120. 12 by 0.01 which is equal to 1200 because this is equal to 0.01. 12 by 1 by 100. So 12 into 100 by 1 which is equal to 1200 and so on. 12 by 0 which is equal to infinite, let us assume as of now. So here you can observe when the denominator is equal to 4, then this value is equal to 3. When the denominator value decreased to 3, this value is increased to 4 because 3 fours are 12. Again, when the denominator decreased to 2, this value increased to 6. Again, further denominator is decreased. Again, this value is increased. And you can see here this denominator. As this denominator value is keep on decreasing, the result which we are getting here, this 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, these values are increasing. Here 120, 1200. So here when this denominator is 0, then the number which is equal to very big number, let us consider as of now, which is equal to infinite. At the same time, we have to observe another concept here. When 12 by 6 is equal to 2, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. When 12 by 4 is equal to 3, when we multiply these two, 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Again, when 12 by 3 equal to 4, multiply 3 into 4 equal to 12. Again here 2 into 6 equal to 12. Again here 1 into 12 which is equal to 12. Here also 0.1 into 120 which is equal to 12. Here also 0.01 into 1200 which is equal to 12. Here 0 into infinite. So here 0 into infinite. We know that any number multiplied with 0 which is equal to 0. So now this result is equal to 0. Here in this case all these scenarios which is valid, but in this particular case that is not valid. So that means some 12 by 0 is equal to infinite is wrong assumption. Now let us consider the same concept with let us consider 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Again, denominators decrease to 0.1. That value is equal to 10. As we know, 0.1 is equal to 1 by 10. 1 into 10 by 1, which is equal to 10. 1 by 0.01, which is equal to 100. 1 by 0.001, which is equal to 1000. Here, how many digits are there after decimal? Here, that many number of zeros we have to get. So, and so on, 1 by 0. So, here this is equal to 1 by 0. And so on. When it comes to 1 by 0, is this is equal to infinite? Again, here 1 by 1 equal to 1, 1 by 0.1 equal to 10, 1 by 0.01 equal to 100. But here 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. From this earlier analysis, what we have observed here, 12 by 6 is equal to 2. That means here 6 have to subtracted from the 12 2 times to get the 0. Based on the similar concept, you can understand here. So here from 1, 0, how many times I have to subtract? 1, 2, 3 and so on, infinite number of times. But here even how many number of times I have subtract 0 doesn't matter. Still this value is equal to 1. So this is some big, very big number of times, but still that value is equal to 1. And also again this 1 is equal to, as per the similar concept what we have discussed earlier, 0 into infinite, which is equal to 0. This is also not possible. So again 1 by 0 is equal to infinite is wrong assumption. Also we can address the same concept with negative numbers. Why we can consider negative numbers? Because let us consider this is the number line, here is a 0, here is logic 1 and here is minus 1. So somebody can approach to 0 from 1 to 0 and somebody can approach to 0 from minus 1 to 0. So here if we consider negative numbers, 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 by minus 0.1 is equal to minus 10. 1 by minus 0.01 is equal to minus 100 and so on. 1 by 0 is equal to minus infinite. So here somebody can say 1 by 0 is equal to plus infinite, or somebody can say 1 by 0 is equal to minus infinite. When this denominator is negative number, then we can say which is equal to minus infinite. If this denominator is positive number, then we can say which is equal to plus infinite. So the same number 1 by 0 is equal to positive infinite, 1 by 0 is equal to minus infinite. We are seeing two cases. Here in this case, somebody approaching the 0 from positive 1 to 0. Here in this case, somebody approaching to 0 from minus 1 to 0. So here minus 1 to 0. So then he can say which is equal to minus infinite. Then for the same fraction, we have two different values, positive infinite, minus infinite. So this concept which is equal to infinite assumption is wrong. So that is why we can say 1 by 0 is equal to undefined. 1 by 0 is equal to undefined. Now let us understand the same concept with one more example. As we know, 1 by 0.1 is 10 and so on. 1 by 0 is equal to infinite. Let us consider number 3. 3 by zero point 0.1 which is equal to 30. 3 by 0.01 which is equal to 300. 3 by 0 which is equal to infinite, because again here denominator is decreasing, this value is increasing. Again this infinite is very big number. In this kind of scenario, here 1 by 0 is also equal to infinite, 3 by 0 is also equal to infinite. That means 1 by 0 is equal to infinite, which is equal to 3 by 0. So here what you can observe from this concept, two fractions are equal here, 1 by 0, another one is 3 by 0, both are equal to infinite. So these two denominators, here also 0, here also 0. That means this numerators 1 is equal to 3, 1 is equal to 3. Is this possible? No, this is not possible. This is not possible. 1 is equal to 3. No, 1 is not equal to 3. 1 is one set. Consider 1 pencil, 3 pencil. 1 is one set. 3 pencils is another set. 1 never be equal to 3. So 1 by 0 is infinite equal to 3 by 0. From that we can say 1 equal to 3. No, it is not. That means our assumption 1 by 0 equal to infinite or 3 by 0 equal to infinite, that is wrong. So what we can conclude here, a number p by 0 is equal to infinite. P is a number. P is a number which is not equal to 0. This is wrong assumption. This is wrong assumption. Instead of infinite, what we have to say, this is undefined. So if a number divided by 0 is equal to undefined, if this is 0 by 0, that is equal to 0. So this is a special case if numerator is also equal to 0. Otherwise 1 by 0 or 2 by 0 or 12 by 0, whatever it may be, these are all undefined. These are all undefined. Why these are all undefined? Because these are not definable. Thank you.